Onions, small in size, big in impact, and the heart of California agriculture. With over 33,000 acres of farmland, California produces nearly 1 million tons of onions each year, playing a vital role in the United States' overall onion supply. California proudly stands as an ideal location for onion cultivation, thanks to its mild climate, abundant sunshine, and fertile soil. From the vast farms of the Central Valley, high-quality onions are harvested and delivered to millions of families not only in the U.S., but also worldwide. Onions here are more than just food. They symbolize the relentless effort and innovation in American agriculture, solidifying California's reputation on the global agricultural map. Green agriculture technology, discovering the journey of millions of onions in the U.S. Have you ever wondered what the process of harvesting onions looks like? Watch this video to explore the fascinating journey from the fields to the dining table. Where every onion carries a story of soil, sunlight, and hardworking hands. In California, farmers typically start planting onions in late winter or early spring, from February to March. Thanks to the warm climate, the onion growing season is more extended and flexible compared to other regions. Before planting onions, the soil must be thoroughly prepared to ensure optimal growth. Farmers begin by loosening the soil and removing weeds, stones, and debris. The soil is tilled to a depth of 6 to 8 inches to create the best conditions for root development. Additionally, applying organic or composted manure enriches the soil with essential nutrients. Ensuring good drainage and maintaining a soil pH of 6.0 to 7.0 are key for optimal onion growth. A drip irrigation system delivers water directly to the plant roots, saving water and enhancing farming efficiency. The main pipes are installed along the rows, connecting to drip lines spaced 12 to 18 inches apart, providing 0.5 to 1 gallon of water per hour. Farmers usually sow seeds directly into the soil at a depth of about 0.25 inches, ensuring they are in contact with sufficient moisture. Seeds are spaced 2 to 4 inches apart. allowing enough room for healthy plant growth. Rows are spaced 12 to 18 inches apart for easier maintenance and harvesting. On average, 3 to 4 pounds of seeds are required per acre. Using modern seeders significantly improves efficiency and reduces labor. These machines are programmed to sow seeds with precise depth and spacing, ensuring uniform growth. A single seeder can cover 10 to 15 acres per day. After planting, automated irrigation systems provide the necessary moisture, allowing seeds to germinate quickly within 7 to 10 days. Additionally, California farmers may grow onion seedlings in greenhouses to accelerate growth. Seedlings are transplanted at a spacing of 4 to 6 inches apart in rows 12 to 18 inches apart. Ensuring ample room for root expansion. The roots are placed about 1 inch deep to anchor firmly and protect against environmental factors. Using onion seedling transplanters offers exceptional efficiency. These machines automatically plant seedlings into the soil at an exact depth of 1 inch and maintain consistent spacing between plants, optimizing planting space. A modern transplanter can handle 5 to 10 acres per day. Caring for onions requires regular watering to keep the soil moderately moist without waterlogging, especially during the bulb development stage. Weeds need to be removed, and organic or nitrogen-based fertilizers should be applied to ensure healthy growth. Prevent fungal diseases like white mold or root rot through biological measures or timely fungicide applications. Yellowing or dying leaves should be pruned, and bulb depth must be checked to ensure they are not buried, allowing proper bulb growth. Controlling pests such as stem borers or onion flies is essential to achieving high yields. Onion flowers typically appear 90 to 120 days after planting. They bloom on stalks about 18 to 24 inches tall, forming large spherical clusters of hundreds of small white flowers. These flowers not only attract pollinating insects, but also signify that the plant is entering its seed production cycle. For farmers, flowering indicates the time to either harvest seeds or bulbs, depending on the cultivation purpose. Onion harvesting generally begins when the leaves turn yellow and wilt, signaling that the bulbs are mature. Farmers often pull onions early in the morning to take advantage of soil moisture and avoid high temperatures that could cause rapid wilting. On average, 1 acre of onions yields between 20,000 and 40,000 pounds, depending on the variety and care conditions. On average, one worker can harvest about 1 to 2 acres of onions per day. Manual harvesting typically yields between 10,000 and 20,000 pounds of onions per acre, which is lower than mechanical methods but allows for more careful selection and minimizes bulb damage during harvesting. Mechanical onion harvesting is a modern process that optimizes efficiency and reduces manual labor. Specialized harvesters are equipped with bulb pulling components, soil cleaning systems, and sorting conveyors. During operation, the machine pulls onion bulbs from the ground using blades or rotating shafts, then removes soil from the bulbs using vibrating or air-blowing systems. The bulbs are transferred onto a conveyor, where they are preliminarily sorted by size before being placed into storage containers. A modern harvester can process 10 to 15 acres per day, depending on operational speed and soil conditions. Yields range from 20,000 to 40,000 pounds per acre, equivalent to 200,000 to 600,000 pounds of onions per day across larger areas. After harvesting, onions are typically gathered in the field and left to dry for 1 to 2 weeks before being transported to packing and storage facilities. The onions are then sorted by size before being packaged and transported. For specialty onions, such as sweet onions, the harvesting process requires greater care to avoid damaging the bulbs. From the fields, onion crates are transported and unloaded into large outdoor storage bins. From here, the onions are moved to indoor packaging lines, where they undergo sorting processes that combine advanced machinery with manual inspection. The onions are placed into individual cups and pass through optical sorters, advanced technology using infrared light to determine size and detect internal defects that are not visible to the naked eye. Onions that meet quality standards proceed to specialized packaging lines, where workers conduct a final inspection to remove any substandard products. The approved onions are then automatically packed into bags and sealed by workers before being stacked onto pallets using machinery. Once completed, the onion pallets are carefully sealed and ready for shipment to markets worldwide. Frozen onions are a convenient product popular in both the food industry and households, thanks to meticulous processing that ensures high quality. After harvest, onions are carefully selected, cleaned, and peeled using specialized processing lines equipped with blades or pneumatic systems, ensuring the outer skin is completely removed without damaging the bulb. The onions are then sliced, chopped, or diced to standard sizes. Before freezing, onions are blanched in hot water or steam to deactivate enzymes, preserving their color and flavor. They are then quickly frozen using IQF individual quick freezing technology at temperatures of -18 degrees Celsius or lower, ensuring the product retains its freshness and nutritional value. Here I will introduce specialized agricultural equipment designed to optimize the onion harvesting process, ensuring superior efficiency and quality. The onion harvester is an essential piece of equipment in the harvesting process, saving time and labor compared to manual methods. The machine is equipped with digging blades or rotating shafts to gently cut the soil around the onion bulbs, lifting them along with soil and leaves. A vibrating system or air fan on the machine removes the attached soil, ensuring clean bulbs before arranging them in rows. A modern onion harvester can handle 10 to 15 acres per day. Using the machine not only increases productivity, but also reduces bulb loss, ensuring the onions are harvested in the best possible condition. The onion windrower is another crucial device in the harvesting process, helping gather onions into uniform rows on the ground for drying. The machine uses fans or conveyors to gently move the onions from the ground and align them into straight rows, creating open spaces for quick leaf drying and optimal bulb firmness. A modern windrower can also handle 10 to 15 acres per day. Using this machine not only reduces manual labor, but also ensures the onions are well prepared for the next stages of collection and transportation. The onion picker is the final piece of equipment in the harvesting process, designed to collect dried onions from the rows and transfer them into storage bins or conveyors. The machine utilizes conveyor systems and air fans to remove soil, dry leaves, and other impurities before the onions are loaded onto trucks or into large containers. A modern onion picker can process 15 to 20 acres per day. This equipment accelerates the harvesting process, minimizes product loss, and ensures clean onions that are ready for processing or storage.